Hello folks, my name is Adriano Sella. I'm a software engineer at Border0, and the goal of today's demo is to show how to get an EC2 instance associated with AWS SSM as fast as possible. So, first thing we'll do is navigate to the EC2 console. We'll click on Instances, then we'll click on Launch Instances. Pick some name, let's say my demo instance. Pick your favorite OS. For this demo, we'll go with Ubuntu. For key pair, we're going to proceed without a key pair. And we're not going to allow SSH traffic from anywhere. We're going to head and launch the instance. Now we have an instance getting spun up. So we'll go see our instance, see that it's pending. You'll see that it has no IAM role attached. And so why do we care about this? We want our EC2 instance to be able to do some things against the AWS System Session Manager API. And so we need to attach a new role for this. We go to the Security tab, modify IAM role. It might take a few seconds to pop up. But here, choose role. We're going to go ahead and create a new IAM role. This will open a new tab and take us to IAM. We're going to click Create Role. AWS Service, EC2, next. We're going to search for SSM Managed. And we're going to look at the second one. If you want to inspect the policy, you can go ahead. Nothing too crazy. We're going to go ahead and add it. Click Next. We're going to want to give our new role a name. It doesn't matter what it is. You can choose whatever you want. You may also choose to set a non-default value for the description, and then we're going to go ahead and create role. So now we've just created a new IAM role for our new EC2 instance. We can go ahead and close the IAM tab and go back to the tab with the EC2 service. And over here we're going to assign our new role to the EC2 instance. You might need to hit refresh a couple times. And so now if we navigate back to the EC2 instances page and click on our new instance ID, we'll see that the instance now has an IAM role assigned. Now, a few things. It will take, if you go to the Connect tab, you go to Session Manager, this will be what appears for the first few minutes. And there's nothing to do other than wait. And while we wait, what's happening is the EC2 instance is coming up, the AWS Session Manager agent within the instance is starting up, reaching out to the AWS SSM API, registering itself as a new target. And there you have it. Now the option to connect with SSM shows up, and we'll go ahead and click this. And we are in the instance. Great. So this has been how to get an AWS EC2 instance associated with AWS SSM as fast as possible. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.